Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has lauded the Delhi police's action against global conspiracy. Defense Minister has backed the Delhi police crackdown on the key conspirators.
कोई विदेश से आ रहा है, कोई आ रहा है, ये कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, वह कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। विदेशी ताकतें भी कुछ हमारे अड़ोस पड़ोस की यदि कोई मैसेज देना चाहती हैं अपनी नापाक हरकतों के द्वारा, तो दिल्ली को ही वो केंद्र बिंदु बनाती हैं। बराबर हमारी दिल्ली पुलिस को उसके लिए सक्रिय रहना पड़ता है।
And I have my colleagues Anuj and Piyush joining us from Delhi. And let me begin with Anuj, the defense minister backing the Delhi police, because it was very clear that Delhi police had stated that this toolkit was an economic, social, cultural and regional war against India. And so the big faces in the government now coming and backing the police's action.
Well, exactly, Sucharita. This is Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh who is praising Delhi police, and we do understand when we are talking about the violence which was witnessed on the street of national capital on 26th of January. In that very violence, this is more than around 300 police personnel who were injured, and above than that, we are seeing that how the investigation at this point in time is being done by the Delhi police, whether being it the special cell, whether being it the crime branch, because we are seeing how the accused has been nabbed, how the dots has been connected, and that's something which has been stated by Rajnath Singh, the Raksha Mantri of the country, because let me tell you that he himself, being the Home Minister, understands how does the Delhi police work, because the Delhi police comes under the Home Ministry, so he is sharing the same, and he is telling to the world, the message is loud and clear that Delhi police is capable of understanding of doing things in the Delhi and nabbing the accused. We have seen how the arrest has been done when we are talking about the violence of 26 January, whether being it in Karnal of Deep Sindhu, whether being it in Hoshiarpur, and whether being it from Delhi to Bengaluru. We have seen how the dots has been connected, and one more message that has been given by Raksha Mantri, which is very much loud and clear again, that international activists and the lobby which is trying to malign the image of the country, Delhi police is enough capable to crack down the deal. Delhi police is enough capable to connect with the dots and to nab the accused. That's something what we are seeing when we are talking about the 26th violence which was witnessed on in the street of national capital on 26th of January. So Raksha Mantri, as being the Home Minister, also wants understand the gravity, understand what exactly is the reality on the ground level, and that's why coming out with the lines. On the other hand, we are also seeing the kind of politics that has been done by the opposition parties when we are talking about the 26th January violence which was witnessed on the street of the national capital. This is the left party, this is Congress party, this is Ram Admi party coming out against the arrest which has been done in the Bengaluru. So that's something, the kind of politics that has been done, but Raksha Mantri now intervening in the things, now making it very much clear that what exactly Delhi police did and what could be done by the Delhi police, and what exactly the investigation is being done and how the investigation is being carried out. And that's something what we are seeing on the ground level, because from Delhi to Bengaluru or from Punjab, the accused has been nabbed. Yes.